Got the engine in. Got those transmission bolts in. Engine mount bolts in. Now I'm working on getting the torque converter lined up with the flywheel and get those bolts tightened up and torque spec'd. So there's an access hole on the driver's side of the transmission right there. I already opened it up. It's in front of the fluid filter, transmission fluid filter. So you use that access hole and you can use your hand and basically roll the torque converter. You can roll it back and forth to line it up with the flywheel on the motor. And I'm using a breaker bar here and basically turning the motor crankshaft to line up. Right here, it's on the passenger side to line it up with line the torque converter up with the flywheel holes. And then we'll use our torque wrench. This is supposed to be 45 pounds of torque. Okay, why is that in reverse? That's weird. No, duh. Had it in forward. I'm backwards on my backwards. Okay. We're still on. We're close. Okay, why are we not going on? There we go. Now, we got that one done, and we're just gonna turn it some more till our next hole shows up. Right there. And then we'll just keep repeating that process till we have them all in. What I was telling you guys not to do is to drop bolts down inside there. And that's exactly what I did. So we're gonna have to pull this transmission back out so we can get that bolt out of there. There's 5 of them and I need 6. I don't know how the thing fell down in there, but it is what it is. So. Well, would you look at here? Right here it is. Sitting right there. Little bugger. Get back over here. Now we got 6 of them. Now, let's put it back together. But we got the wiring harness in. Got all the wiring run. Got new tape put on a lot of this. Clean it up a bit. I'll put the fuel tank back in it and finish the exhaust. Got 5-inch exhaust running all the way to the back. Now that we got the exhaust in, I'll go ahead and fuel tank put back up in here. And that's nice having that back in there. Very nice. This is a we're pumping fill hose. I just had cut it off and plugged it so the sandblasting wouldn't, or the sand from the sandblasting wouldn't get into it. We'll run this along here probably. Now I'm gonna go get the straps for it and bolts and stuff to put it back in there. Next thing we'll do is get the fuel pump mounted. Get the fuel pump mounted and get the fuel lines running. I take these off, and I got some hose over here. Just some low pressure fuel line. The return has a 3/8 hose, and the feed line has a 1/2 inch. So we're gonna get that fuel line run and get the pump installed, and then we'll go from there. But that's what we're doing here. That clip there I'm just gonna take off because I already had one there. What's that supposed to do there? One thing I can't figure out is where's this supposed to, it's a ground wire. I don't know if it fastened to the frame or, don't really matter just as long as it's grounded. There's just no hole here for this. Wheel, I'll get it figured out somehow. We'll just put that there. Actually, that's actually supposed to go right there. That makes sense. Yeah, we got that hooked up, and now I'm gonna run the fuel lines. This stuff has to come off. Jump lines. That's as far as we're going to go on this one. I got my fuel pump installed, and feed and return line on the fuel lines. Got those in. Got my exhaust in. Stainless steel brake lines, brand new, all the way around. I got new ABS sensors on the front, and yeah, we got the motor put in and everything. That's pretty much it for the frame. We get back to building these fenders probably on the next one. So come back to see me, watch me build the other side probably. That's what I'm thinking we'll probably do. We'll see. Get this body put back on here in a second, and I have to think it through. I'm thinking we'll get this front clip finished, and the bed also needs to be primed so it doesn't rust. Hopefully I can do that this coming week, and we can start body work on that. Won't take much. Get that paint ready, and I would like to get the bed sitting on there anyways. Finished, you know, painted and everything. Get that on there. Yeah, come back next time. I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing, probably the fender, but yeah, come back next time and we'll be doing something on this. Closer to getting it done.